Directions.
Step 1. OT. This must be a 27 side panel or something. 27.
That sounds like that one cabinet we had before.
I know, but it's
But that one
that's
was
just a little side panel thing.
that one was flimsy though.
Huh?
That one was flimsy and it wasn't real wood. Forward.
What did you talking about, boss? Did you see yourself else in that box?
I don't know why.
Tell the people what happened, honey. You waited all day.
I don't want to.
You waited
do
all
shit.
day.
7. God damn it, 7. Welcome. Shit. Yes, that was right. Right before the outlet.
Oh, nice.
7. I hate 7.
Waiting on this box all day to come.
Oh, look at all these pieces, man. This is diabolical. Look at grab. Wishy-washy. Like this.
I like it. That's like something I feel like I've had when I was way younger.